Hi, Katie here, and I'm excited to share with you a new product in the Simply Earth family, and that is Rose Hydrosol. Rose Hydrosol smells amazing, smells just like a rose. It's water-based, which makes it easier to use in some situations. One benefit of Rose Hydrosol is that it's very budget friendly. Rose essential oil is a very expensive process and it therefore makes a very expensive essential oil. Rose Hydrosol is the leftover water in making the essential oil. It's filled with amazing natural benefits, but it's much more cost effective and it's much less concentrated. Rose Hydrosol is really moisturizing. It can help prevent signs of aging, and we'll talk about some different ways to use it to get those benefits. One way to use Rose Hydrosol is to use it as a spray. Spray it on your face or your clothes. On your clothes, it'll kind of act as a light perfume. You can use it on your face as a toner. It'll help tighten pores, but also lock in moisture on your face. You can add a little bit to your bath. Since it's water-based, you don't have to dilute it. You can start with a teaspoon and add a little bit more. It is very fragrant, so if you add too much, that can be kind of like super florally, so it's best to add just a little bit at a time. You can also use it to replace water in cosmetic recipes. We have a mask recipe using French clean clay and Rose Hydrosol. The Rose Hydrosol replaces the water, moisturizes the clay, and you can put it on your face to get the benefits of the clay and the Rose Hydrosol. Here's some things to remember when using Rose Hydrosol. It does not need to be diluted when using on the skin. Hydrosols are much less concentrated than essential oils. It's safe to use on kids aged 2 and up. If you're looking for a toxin-free way to support a child's younger than that health, you can use Lavender Hydrosol. That's just a little bit gentler than Rose Hydrosol. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and go and make your home toxin-free.